Have you ever wondered what the future of foldable technology looks like? Well, wonder no more. This is it, the ultimate reveal. Everything, and I mean everything, is here. We've had a full, complete look at all the stunning colors of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. But that's not all. We're also unveiling the official look at the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. The full unpacked mania has indeed arrived. So, which foldable phone is stealing the show this year? Let's dive right in, starting with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung is launching this beauty in 3 captivating colors: silver, navy, and a bold pink. As for the Z Flip 6, the color options are equally exciting with yellow, green, blue, and silver. The color lineup this year is seriously impressive. Taking a closer look at the design of the Fold 6, you can immediately see that Samsung has made it significantly thinner than previous generations. The notorious gap is gone and the crease has been massively improved. The outer display is lighter than ever and the overall shape is super boxy, reminiscent of the S24 Ultra. Which color of the Fold 6 do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Now here's a question for you. What makes the Z Flip 6 stand out from its predecessor? Moving on to the Z Flip 6, its design is quite similar to last year's model, but with one striking visual upgrade: the color-coordinated camera rings across all models. This not only looks fantastic, but also hints at the biggest camera upgrade for the Flip 6, featuring a new 50-megapixel main sensor. Unfortunately, there are no camera upgrades for the Fold 6, which retains the same setup as the Fold 5. However, with the A Gen 3 chip and its advanced camera ISP, expect notable improvements in video and photo performance. Beyond the Fold and Flip 6, we're also seeing Samsung's first LEL Ultra watch, the Galaxy Watch Ultra, alongside the standard Galaxy Watch 7. The Galaxy Watch Ultra boasts a unique design that I personally find intriguing. It features a larger display, more rugged construction, and enhanced health tracking features, making it perfect for fitness enthusiasts and adventurers alike. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And let's not forget about the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Samsung has moved away from their iconic Buds design, and these new Buds bear a striking resemblance to Apple's AirPods Pro. I'm looking forward to seeing improvements in battery life and audio quality. The new case design is sleek and stealthy, but I do miss the old iconic look. Finally, let's talk a bit more about the advancements in the Fold and Flip series. Both devices are expected to come with enhanced durability features, including improved hinge mechanisms and stronger display materials. This means you can enjoy the cutting-edge technology without worrying about everyday wear and tear. Plus, with Samsung's focus on eco-friendly materials, these devices are not just advanced, but also environmentally conscious. So there you have it, an official preview of what's to come at the Unpacked event on July 10. I'll be there live, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.